Good. Range hot.
All right, so we are getting ready to blow up. We're getting ready to blow up some shit. 65 bios. They're all taped to those plates down there.
I mean, say send it when you're ready, brother.
As long as that doesn't fall over.
Good.
Okay, GoPro's going, so. All right, fire in the hole. You
ready?
You can go whenever you want. All right, let's see what we can blow up here. We're 90 yards away. Whoa. Hold on, this thing moved. Fuck. I knew it would move.
I miss that smell.
All right, let's see what we can do here. Fire in the hole. We can hit the right one, right spot. There you go. Good job. Oh yeah, that was badass.
Nice. With the pistol, you got me like fucking pretty damn close there, buddy. I had to aim so low on that fucking target.
That's awesome. Ow, these are hot. All right, let's see if we can still blow up some more shit. There we go. So getting it on film, yeah.
Yeah, the rest of them aren't AR plates, are they? So I don't want to
no.
anybody's plates. I do have a pistol.
I got that one, but it didn't blow up. Yeah. There's one way over on the other side too.
All the way to the left?
Yep, and there's one in the middle, right in the middle.
God, I got nicked it.
Yep, get it.